Hi everyone, I am Nicole with Gator Metal Roofing, and thank you so much for tuning into our YouTube channel where we teach you, show you all things metal roofs, from inspections to installations to colors. We got you. We are your one-stop shop for all things metal roofing right here in the Carolinas. And today I am in Hubert, North Carolina with Miss Dorothy and Mr. Teddy. How are y'all doing today?
Just fine.
How long have you guys lived in your home for?
Since 2014.
What was the condition of your previous roof like before you got it upgraded?
Well, I mean, it was still good, but it was over. I mean, we've been here since 14, and I don't know when it was ever replaced. So we thought it time to get it replaced.
Especially with North Carolina storms, you never know. And even just this summer, we haven't had a hurricane yet, knock on wood, but it's been rainy.
It's been through one hurricane, so.
Yeah, it's been flooded and not the best, but what made you guys start wanting to kind of look around and just look at different upgrade options for your roof?
I knew we was going to have to replace the roof sooner or later, and I told her I want a metal roof.
Yep.
I want something that's going to be reliable.
You said you were kind of familiar with metal roofs before, right? How did you kind of learn more about metal roofs?
We lived in a house in Indiana that had a metal roof.
Oh, okay. And since when you moved back here and you guys had shingles, did you see a difference between having the shingles versus the metal? What were some of those differences that you saw or noticed?
The sound.
Yeah.
When you can hear the ring, even here, you can hear the ring when it hits the metal roofing. It's like a calming feeling.
Oh,
It makes you sleep.
Oh, 100%. Who needs like ASMR when you just have the rain outside?
Yeah.
Super peaceful. So what was the process like working with our team from beginning to end?
Oh, they were good. I mean,
I was here when the contractors was, and they were great. I gave them water. I didn't want them to dehydrate. If they had a problem, they come and told me about it, but they were great.
Yeah.
I had no issue. They did good.
I have to ask, I feel like I already know the answer, but what made you choose this beautiful blue roof color?
Blue, I always wanted blue, so.
It matches your house perfectly.
Yes.
I'm a little biased, but I think you guys have the prettiest house on the block and it matches your dress.
Oh, thank you.
I'm a little biased, obviously, but do you have any advice for future homeowners who may watch this in the future, or maybe they're kind of doing research of their own and they're just a little hesitant about going forward and getting a metal roof?
I'd say contact Gator Roofing and just let them give you a quote. Then you can decide, but you won't make a bad decision if you get to it.
No.
It's the best thing you can do.
Are you guys lucky that you got it before kind of the craziness of the summer?
Oh, yeah.
It was raining. In fact, that day, that evening, they had to come back the next day to finish because it started to rain.
Yeah.
And so they didn't want to work in that, which I understand. But they came back and finished it next day. I mean, they were good.
Yep.
And one thing that we really like to pride ourselves on, our roofs are Energy Star rated. Have you noticed kind of a change in the temperature inside your home as well, especially in the heat?
Yes.
Yes, we keep it at 74 all the time, and it stays cool.
Good on the light bill.
We love that. We always promise that too. Energy savings, and you guys have our lifetime warranty too. So in the future, if you ever need anything, just call us up and we'll be here. Have you guys had any issues or leaks since then?
No
problem.
No.
In fact, the old roof, the porch was leaking before on the back porch, and I had to get up there and put tar down, and I didn't want to do that. I don't like getting up there anymore.
Yeah, that was when you had shingles, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, so not only does it save you money in the long run, lifetime warranty, and it's just pain and stress-free, which...
Now you don't have to get up there.
Exactly. That's our job. That's not your job, so awesome. Well, Dorothy, Teddy, thank you so much for joining us today. Again, I'm biased, but I absolutely love your home.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for having us. Guys, make sure you like and subscribe, and we will see you here next time.